Viagra is used to treat men's sexual function problems like impotence or erectile dysfunction. In combination with sexual stimulations, Viagra works by increasing blood flow to the penis to help the man get and keep an erections. Let's talk about few common Viagra side effects you should know about. First, headaches. Headaches are common if you take Viagra. Between 16% and 28% of the people report experiencing them after taking the medications. The higher your dosage, the more likely you will experience one. Viagra primarily affected blood vessels in the penis, but it can also affect blood vessels in other parts of your body. This has the potential to affect blood flow and promote chemical change in the brain, which then can cause headache. Headaches from Viagra often resolve on their own. Second, abnormal visions. A few potential side effects include blurry visions, light sensitivity, and a change in how you see colors. You may notice a slight blue thinner in your vision. These effects are expected to be mild and short terms. Abnormal visions change were reported by 1% to 11% of the people taking Viagra in clinical trials. If you lose vision in one or both of your eyes, seek medical attention immediately. Third, flushing. Up to about 20% of the people report skin flushing after taking Viagra. As mentioned above, Viagra can affect blood vessels beyond your penis, so you may notice your skin looks red or feel warm to the touch after taking it. This happens as blood vessels that are close to the surface of your skin dilated. Like headache, this side effect typically goes away without treatment. If flushing becomes bothersome, speak with your healthcare provider. Fourth, upset stomach. Viagra causes more blood flow to the penis for an erection by relaxing smooth muscles. But it can also affect smooth muscles along gastrointestinal tract, causing an upset stomach. Between 3% and 17% of people report experience an upset stomach from Viagra. It is best to avoid or minimizing drinking alcohol with Viagra. That's because alcohol can worsen certain side effects like upset stomach. Fifth, low blood pressure. Because Viagra causes your blood vessels to relax, it can also lower your blood pressures. When your blood pressures get too low, hypotension, you may experience lightheadedness and dizziness or weakness. Effects on blood pressures are greatest 1 hour after taking Viagra, and your blood pressure should return to its original level within the 4 hours. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel.